Today, I'm sharing how to pick and choose loofah or angkor before buying. Angkor is a very sweet and nutritious vegetable. It has antioxidants, is rich in iron, reduces body heatiness, and is a good milk booster for breastfeeding moms. Include angkor in your diet regularly for better health. First, the angkor should be as straight as possible from top to bottom. The color should be dark green and look fresh, like this. It should be slightly heavy, weighing approximately 400 grams to 500 grams per gourd. Avoid the one with bruise mark or traces of damage. Each of the edges looks intact, just like this angkor. When pressed, the skin must be hard and the inside firm. Also, the bottom should not be too big or grayish. Look at this gourd. The color is perfectly green and the tip at the bottom is perfect. The bottom part is not too big. It is perfectly balanced and the edges are intact. Although it is not 100% straight, it is okay overall if there is no other choice. This gourd as well looks great overall. If it is old, the skin will be slightly grayish, and when pressed, the skin is hard but the inside are soft. This means that the seeds are old, fibrous, and unpleasant to eat. Alright, all these three angkor are perfect. Now I will share how to cut the angkor or the loofah. Remove all the sharp edges first with a peeler. Hold the angkor with one hand and slide out the edges one by one, from the bottom to the top. Slowly turn it around and continue with the other edges. This is important. If they are not removed, the angkor will taste bitter. They are usually quite safe to eat, as insects don't like this plant, so farmers don't usually spray the insecticide. Once all the edges are removed, remove the skin with the peeler, like this. If it cannot be cleanly removed, it is okay as the skin is edible. The angkor is safe to cook with the skin on as it is rich in vitamins. Next, remove the top and the bottom part and it is ready. Continue cleaning for all three angkor. If it is too long, it can be cut into half. This gourd is very young. Alright, the skin has been removed for all three angkor. They are all fresh, young and white while the seeds are soft. Once the skin has been removed, wash and clean before cutting. Next, cut them into bite-sized pieces. I use a few shapes when cooking angkor. First is the triangle shape, like this. Or cut them into round and thin slices, like this. They can also be cut into long pieces, like this. Alternatively, if the pieces are too big, they can be cut into half vertically and then cut into triangle shapes again like this. Alright, these are the different shapes that I use in my cooking. Once it is cut, I recommend cooking it immediately. Do not wash the angkor after cutting as they absorb a lot of water and can release too much water into the dish that is being cooked. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somthit. Thank you and bye-bye.